All right. So myself Rakesh Kumar, and I'm heading marketing for Accusure company. Accusure is a known brand from last 17 years. We are serving to India for medical devices products like a glucometer, thermometers, nebulizers, and other medical devices. Also, from last 7 years, we are providing a rehabilitation range also, where we have a knee supports, heating pads, and a back support belts. So, our main aim as a Accusure that we want to become a third or second largest supplier for India, and very soon we will got a first number one supplier for a medical device range. Also, we contributing as a government for a made in India also. So, like nebulizer, thermometers, and BP motor, we have started our own manufacturing. So breakthrough product, if you were talking about that, we have a glucometer which is called a Life Glucometer, where we are using a fourth generation of enzyme, which is highly accuracy for your diabetic sugar testings. Also, we have a advanced level of BP monitors. We have a track record of 7 to 8 years experience where customers are facing without any zero defect. So and many other products are under pipelines. Last day it went not too good, but yes, on average good. We found some global customer. They are looking for some South Africa, for Dubai, and they are highly interested for looking kind of a medical device range, which is like a made in India. So they are approaching us, and also I have seen there are lots of company has already participating in an exhibition. So it's like a give and take. Few products we are sourcing directly, few products we required from them. So this kind of network which is I'm getting in medical fair exhibition, it's I think highly appreciable. See, we are already doing from last 5 to 6 years. Although in a Corona there is a break, so 2 years we have not participated. Even I think exhibitor also not came or participated. But this medical fair, it is already a measure Dosada from Germany. So we think that the clientes of exhibitor are good quality of quality. Also, the visitors quality is very good, and for sure for our distribution network and for our manufacturing unit to expand, the kind of people are approaching us is a good quality premium customer. So this is the only reason, and also we have a good relation with that. So we are just participating.